For every bun, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Divide the hair into 2 portions, starting off with the right side, begin to make a braid out of it. Do the same on the left side as well. Now, after you have made your braid, starting from the left side, pull it through the top left section, and then, starting with the right side, pull it through the top right section. Next, take a section from the left side, keep it aside, then tie a ponytail with the rest of the hair, add a rubber band in the middle of the section, then after this, roll it upwards and then pin it up in place using a multiple prong pin. Once you are done with this, add a decorative pin to it as well to make it look all the more aesthetically appealing. Before this, however, begin to make a braid out of the section that you have left aside, and as you progress with the braid, loosen the sides of it using your fingers. Next, we will start off by taking the top section of the hair, divide it into 3 portions, and then begin to make a braid out of it. Tie a rubber band to it once you reach the bottom, and before this, gather all of the hair together and then tie a ponytail out of it. After this, add a rubber band to the bottom section of it, roll the hair upwards and then make it into a bun. Then use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. This is what it should look like. On top of this, you may add a decorative pin to it. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, make a division to it in the middle, slightly loosen it and then roll the hair in on itself. After this, bring it out through the bottom as such and then tighten it, cover up the gaps at the top and then divide this ponytail into 2 parts. Add a rubber band in the middle of each of these 2 parts and roll the hair in on itself. Gather it together and roll it upwards into a bun. Next, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair. After this, slightly loosen this ponytail, make a gap in the middle, roll the hair in on itself as such and tighten it. After you have tightened it, this is what it should look like. Add a rubber band to the bottom of it and then make a small gap in it, roll the hair upwards, making it into a bun, and before you roll it upwards, roll it in on itself and then push it upwards. You may use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place, and then after you have done this and made a bun out of it, you may use a multiple prong decorative pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, take a bun stick and then start off by wrapping the hair around it. Roll it up and then make a circular shape out of it, that is the bun shape out of it, and then after you have made the bun shape and after you have rolled it, adjust the hair around it as need be. This, wrap the rest of the hair around it to make it all even as such. After this, take a multiple prong decorative pin and then push it. Next, we'll start off by taking this hair twine and then tie a ponytail out of the hair. After this, wrap the hair twine around this ponytail, bring it from the bottom to the top as such, roll it upwards and then wrap it up into a bun. After you've wrapped it up into a bun, make sure that you do this tightly. Adjust the bow portion of it wherever you need it to be. We have chosen a butterfly decoration. Next, take this bun stick, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair and then go from the bottom to the top, roll this upwards and then after you are rolling it and have made the circular shape, wrap it up into a bun. After you have wrapped it up into a bun, adjust the hair around it as need be. That is, cover up the gaps that may be present as such. This will be the final look of it. Then take a 2-prong decorative pin and insert it from the top through the sides. After this, adjust the hair around it as you please. Thank you for watching.